In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the JetBrains Mono font and use it inside Visual Studio Code. So this font is super popular for coding and it looks really clean. So let's jump into it. First thing you want to do is go to the official JetBrains website. Once you are there, we will type here in search bar exactly that. So JetBrains Mono font, and click on this first one here, and you will be redirected to a new page. After downloading here, click on download font. So after downloading, it will appear in your downloader folder. So what you as a zip file. Now right click on the zip file that extracts everything. This will create a normal folder. Open that folder, then open the fonts folder inside. You will see bunch of Jet Mono font folders, variable TFT. You can install this one by one, but that takes way too long. Instead, go to your Windows search bar, type fonts, and open font settings. Now, when you type into Windows search bar, you will open up something like that. Now, what you need to do is what you need to do is press one font, Ctrl A, select all, and simply drag and drop them into the fonts window. Wait a few seconds and the fonts will install automatically. If it doesn't work the first time, just reopen the fonts window or install them one by one. Once you see JetBrains Mono listed, the font is successfully installed. Now that the fonts are successfully installed, go here, open up Visual Studio Code, and go here to File. In the top left corner, go to Preferences and then click Settings. Inside Settings, use the search bar at the top and type font. Find Editor Font Family right here. Delete whatever is there and type in JetBrains Mono. I will just copy it. Oops, like that. Make sure there are no typos. Checking if it works, close the setting tab like so. Now we can close. Open any file in VSCode. So I will create one really quickly. And you should now see the JetBrains Mono font appears in if it doesn't update right away, just close VSCode completely. I think this is not the correct one yet. So if it doesn't update right away, just close the VSCode completely and open it again. That's usually fixed. And that's how it's done. You have successfully installed JetBrains Mono in VSCode. So if this video helped you out, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next one.